In the following demonstration, you will see our InterGuard laptop recovery module in action. So the theory behind this particular module is that laptop theft and loss remains far and away the biggest cause of confidential data loss. In the event of laptop theft or loss, InterGuard's patented technology allows you to geolocate stolen laptops in real time. You can also remotely delete and retrieve files from stolen computers and also monitor and control the thief's every action. So some of the key features for Laptop Cop are the ability to geolocate laptops in real time via Wi-Fi signal, which is very accurate within 50 feet of the device. The ability to remotely delete files from a stolen laptop to a U.S. Department of Defense standard that ensures complete destruction of the files. You'll also get confirmation of deleted files. You'll also be able to remotely retrieve files from stolen laptops. You'll also be able to monitor and control everything the offender does with the device, including locking down the stolen device if necessary. That would be up to and including wiping the operating system. So without further ado, our Laptop Cop recovery module for InterGuard. All right, now we are logged into InterGuard's management interface. So let's talk about Laptop Cop. So very powerful module of ours. It allows a company to ensure that remote employees, especially those dealing with very sensitive classified data, are not in a position to steal this data or compromise our organization in any way. And the beauty behind this particular module is that if a laptop is stolen that does have this type of data on it, Laptop Cop will allow you to be able to remotely retrieve files, delete files. You'll also be able to monitor, control the thief's activity, and you'll also be able to recover your laptop with the help of our Laptop Cop recovery team. So you can remotely retrieve any desired files from your stolen computer. So let's talk about that a little bit, how to configure this module to do that. All we have to do is add a new request. We're going to call the request name Snowden Data Recovery. There's a few things we can do here. We can pull everything off the documents folder if we wanted to. We can specify a specific directory or file. We can go in and browse. And what happens is when Laptop Cop is loaded onto a target device, it takes a virtual scan and creates a virtual map of that user's machine. So as you can see here, we wanted to go into a specific user, like this individual here. We literally can go at will into their documents folder and pull off documents at will from this device. We can go to his Dropbox folder as an example. And pull documents out of his public folder as an example. We can also unilaterally pull out a specific file type. Obviously, this is pretty much every single file extension that exists. So we wanted to do it that way, we could as well. Just save your request. The request will be queued up by our servers, and the machine now will be scanned periodically, and the specific files or folders will be pulled down periodically to accommodate this data retrieval request. As you can see right now, the schedule can be changed, but it's set for 30 days. Same concept applies to deleting files. Simply speaking, just add in a request. Select the device in question that we're targeting. Again, we can define a specific file type here we want to pull off and delete from this device. We can also, again, browsers user's device, and pull specific files out of specific folders. Very easy to configure. Not too much rocket science going on with this. We can also enter a UNC path for a specific folder. And we can also have sort of a nuclear option here. It's going to be the slowest of the three. We can delete all files and folders except the following. We can denote a specific path. So everything else on the machine will be wiped except documents, program files, and that specific UNC path that you delineate. All you have to do is just save request. So in order to recover your PC, and for enterprise customers, this doesn't apply. Our recovery agents will consult you on the best way to achieve your computer recovery, file retrieval, and file deletion goals. So this is going to be a service that we offer via this particular module. Okay, so it's important to report, obviously, that the device is installed. This is really nice. There's a load jack unit built into this module here, so we can actually geolocate the device based on Wi-Fi signal, and it's extremely accurate within 50 feet of the device. We're not using military-grade GPS, which is based on satellites and line of sight. This is much more accurate. So as you can see here, we have all of the locations where this device has been within a set time frame. And as you can see here, it's very easily plotted in the graph. You can see the entire history of where this device has been. We can also remotely take control of this device as well. So if it's been stolen, all you have to do is click on Recover My PC and report it to begin the monitoring process. So once the computer has been reported as stolen, laptop cop will immediately begin recording everything the thief does on the computer. So the reasoning behind this is by monitoring the thief's activity, it often leads to ascertaining personal identifiable information on the particular individual who stole the device. So this information is absolutely critical to the success of recovering PC. So in a nutshell, that is Laptop Cop, our laptop data retrieval and deletion module. As you can see, it's got more capabilities than just that, but a perfect way to button up your endpoint device security posture, especially if you have employees working remotely dealing with sensitive classified information.